To add custom text to your iPhone lock screen, go to the App Store and install any Text Widgets app. When you open the app, you will be able to add the text for Widget 1. You can add any text, e.g. your name, change the design, add custom fonts, etc. You can also add emojis as prefix and suffix to your text. I have added here 4 widgets. Let's add them to the lock screen. To do that, swipe down on the left side and press and hold the screen. Now select Customize and select Add Widgets. Now select any text app. You will see those 4 widgets here. There are 2 variations of each widget, a smaller square one and the other a rectangular one. You can select the one you like. Let's add a square one first. Then we will add a rectangular one. To remove and add a different widget, just repeat the process and add the required widget. You can add the text in any supported language of your iPhone supported languages. This way, you can add your own little touch to your device. Add your favorite quotes, names, prayers, etc. Like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.